nGeneRobotLab connects 3 Raspberry Pi systems through one macOS workspace. First, build HAT controls and verifies LEGO motors on ports A through D. Choose Build HAT Plus motors from the Raspberry Pi fleet, then connect and inspect. The pre-flight check software, UART access, telemetry, and connected ports without moving a motor. During the intentional test, the build HAT drives the LEGO motors and confirms encoder movement. Setup and troubleshooting keep the active phase in focus while both logs record the evidence. Next, M.2 HAT Hailo provides on-device vision with an annotated stream. Choose M.2 HAT Hailo from the fleet, then connect and inspect the camera and accelerator. The camera frame enters Hailo inference, then post-processing adds labels and bounding boxes. The completed annotated frame returns to macOS while the logs preserve each command and result. Finally, Sense HAT combines live motion, environmental sensing, LED tests, and guided maintenance. Choose Sense HAT from the fleet. The dashboard then starts live EMU telemetry. Moving the board changes tilt, motion, and heading in the live dashboard. Python samples also drive the LED matrix, providing an immediate physical response. Setup and troubleshooting advance step by step, with the current check and both logs kept visible. The final LED pattern provides direct physical confirmation that the Sense HAT responded. Vision, motors, and sensors now share one structured macOS workflow. Project nGene.org